Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super useful: how to use your Venture Card miles on Expedia in 2025. If you're a Capital One Venture Card holder, you know those miles can add up quickly and turn into amazing travel deals. But if you're not sure how to redeem them on Expedia, don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step. This is going to save you time and money on your next adventure. First things first, make sure you have your Venture Card miles ready to go. Log into your Capital One account online or through their app. Once you're in, head to the rewards section and check your miles balance. It's always a good idea to confirm you have enough for what you want, whether it's a flight, hotel, or a whole vacation package. Now, let's get to Expedia. Open the Expedia website or app and start searching for your travel options, like flights to that dream destination in 2025. When you find what you like, proceed to the booking page. Here's the key part. Look for the option to pay with rewards or miles. You'll need to link your Capital One account to Expedia if you haven't already. It's straightforward. Just follow the prompts to connect them securely. Once linked, select how many miles you want to use. Expedia will show you the conversion rate, so you can see exactly how much you're redeeming. Double-check everything to avoid any surprises, then hit confirm. Your miles will be deducted from your Capital One account, and voila, your booking is complete. A few quick tips to make this even smoother. Always read the fine print for any restrictions, like blackout dates or minimum mile requirements. Also, remember that miles might expire, so use them before they do. If you run into issues, Capital One's customer support is there to help. There you have it, folks. Using your Venture Card miles on Expedia is easier than you think and perfect for planning your 2025 trips. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel hacks, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Safe travels. See you in the next video.